Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to run Android 16 hardware, PC or laptop fully working, smooth performance and yes, with the Google Play Store included. This is the complete 2025 tutorial perfect for those of you who want to test apps, play mobile games or just use Android right on your desktop. So make sure you follow every steps carefully and let's get started. First, you need to check visualization is enabled in your PC or laptop. To check that, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager and go to Performance and select the CPU. In visualization, you can able to see enabled in my case. If in your case it shows disabled, then check my video description for this video link. Just watch this video to enable the visualization. After enabled the visualization, you can proceed to the steps shown in this video. Just open up Chrome and set Android Studio and press enter. Select the first official site. Select the Android Studio Outer and scroll down and select the I have read and agree with the above terms and condition and select download Android Studio. It started downloading 1.3 GB. After the downloads get done, just click on it and install it, guys. Select the yes option and select next and select next and select next and select install. And after get this done, select this next option and select finish. Select the don't send option. Select here next option and select next and select the next option and select this accept option and select the next. Select this yes option after the installation done and select finish. And you can able to see more actions drop down and select this virtual device manager. Select this plus icon on the top. Select the allow option and select the plus icon to create virtual device. As you can see, phone, tablet, desktop, TV. For this tutorial, I'm gonna using this phone. Select the phone option and select the Pixel 9 Pro XL. This is big screen. Select next option. In API, click on the drop down and select the Android latest version, Android 16, and go to additional settings. To increase the internal storage, you just need to open up File Explorer and you can safely choose half of your C drive space, guys. In my case, I have 150 free. I can able to use it 75. In here, internal storage 75 GB, and scroll down. Under emulator performance, you can able to see CPU cores. To set the CPU cores, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager and go to Performance tab and in Performance under select the CPU and in here you can able to see how much cores you have in your system. You can choose here half of your cores, guys. In my case, I have 24, so I'm going with 12 cores. Same thing for memory. Go to memory, and in my case, I have 32. Half the size you can choose in here. I'm going with the 16 GB. After changing these settings, go to device tab and under system images, click on this Google Play Intel Atom system image and select finish option. And now as you can see Pixel 9 Pro XL is created. Click on this three dot icon on here and select the edit option. Even now you can edit the profile. Just close, launch this Pixel 9 Pro XL using this play option. And Now as you can see, it has been opened up. Just drag it to the center of the screen. I'm gonna show you login in Play Store. And as you can see, I successfully logged into my Google account. And now you can install whatever apps you want. And that's it. You now have Android 16 running on your PC or laptop with the Play Store fully working. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you doesn't miss any future guides. If you have any questions or get stuck at any step, drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.